Hey you guys, it's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. This is by far the latest I've ever gone couponing on a Saturday, but I'm still gonna make it work. I don't even know if they're gonna have the items that I need or what, but we're gonna see. I'm outside of Family Dollar, so I'm gonna go in, and then it's not gonna be my typical video for Family Dollar. Usually I'll go in and like do a complete breakdown, like showing you guys the stuff as it's on the shelf. This time, because it is later, I mean, one, I know most of you guys have probably already done your couponing, and two, with it being so late, who has time for that, you know? I'm gonna go in and just see, and then once I have my scenario together and I have it all together, then I'll give like the full breakdown right there, saying my the total before and then of course after coupons. I love Family Dollar because I always, for the most part, Family Dollar 5 off 25s is always all digital, so that means anyone can do it. All you need is the account, and of course the same coupons. Remember, today is the last day to can't get my words together, to enter into the giveaway. Oh my goodness, brain fart. But yeah, today's the last day. I will be drawing names early, like super early in the morning, first thing before I actually go do my Walgreens shopping tomorrow. So if you haven't already, definitely go enter that giveaway. My baby's asleep, as y'all can see. But yeah, we're gonna hurry up. It's gonna be a quick, I shouldn't be in that long, hopefully. I'm gonna run in and, like I said, show you guys. And I'm also gonna make a quick stop to Walgreens. I still have a 5 off of 20 on one of my accounts, and we do have some ibotta rebates that popped up yesterday, today. I don't know when. I noticed them today, of course. I've been a little behind this week in the whole couponing world, but we're gonna make it do what it do. If you haven't already, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell down below, as well as share. Let me get my sleepy baby out of the car. I'm tired. And let's head into the store. Okay, you guys, so this is the first thing I'm getting for my first transaction. Of course, they had some, I had to like switch some stuff around, but I already knew it, so whatever. But what I'm picking up, the Tide is priced at $5.50. There's a $2 digital coupon. The Arm & Hammer is on sale for $3.95. We have a $2 digital coupon. The Tide Pods are regularly priced at $4.95. We have a $2 digital coupon. No Lysol. I mean, no coupons for Lysol, I don't think. But it's priced at $2.65. So the Swagbucks is on sale for $2.50. We have a $1 coupon. The Venus Simply, I was looking for the $3 packs, but they don't have any. So this one is $1. We have a $3 digital coupon, but you don't get overage at Family Dollar, so it's just gonna reduce down to $1, making it free. The Axe deodorant is priced at $2.50. We have a $3 digital coupon. Again, no overage, so it's just gonna reduce down to $2.50, still making it free. And then the Vaporcool, this account still had a Vaporcool coupon, so it's priced at $2 with a $1.50 digital coupon. So for everything before coupons, my total comes out to $25.05, and then after my 5 off 25 and everything else, it drops it down to $8.05, which I think is a pretty decent deal, even though it's kind of like I had to switch some stuff around. Still not bad. And then I was able to get some wipes, so super excited about that. Now let me get the other stuff for my second scenario, my second transaction, and then I'll show you guys that as well. Okay, y'all, and this is my second transaction. So I'll be picking up the Tide again at $4.95 with a $2 digital. Picking up 2 of the Febreze at $3 each with a 3 off of 2 digital. The Axe is $2.50 with that $3 digital coupon, but it's only going to take off the $2.50. The Airwick is $3.50 with a $1.50 coupon. The Crest is $2 with a $1 digital. The Swagbucks on sale for $2.50 with a $1 digital. Then the Arm & Hammer $3.95 with a $2 digital. They're so loud. Before coupons is going to be $25.40, and then after all of my digitals, it's going to drop it down to $7.40, which I think is pretty good. Let me hurry up and get out of here. There's so many people, and they are like yelling. So let me head up to the front, check out, and then I'll see you guys when I get back in the car. Okay, you guys, so I'm back in the car, and I'm going to go over this transaction like this because she didn't, now that I'm looking, she didn't give me my receipt to my first transaction, but I'm still going to go over it. So this was the first one with the Swagbucks at $2.50, the Simply Venus at $1, the Tide liquid at $5.50. The pods at $4.95. Arm & Hammer $3.95. So the Lysol wipes were actually 15 cents more than what's displayed. So instead of $2.65, it's actually $2.75. So that knocked my subtotal up 10 cents as well as my total after coupon. So instead of the $8.05 like I calculated, I did pay $8.15 for all this stuff, which is still a pretty decent deal. So I don't really have any I don't have any complaints besides the fact that I don't have my receipt. That way because I want to show you guys. But this is the second transaction right here, this receipt. So in this one, the Tide Pod. So I did switch out. I found one more of the Lysol wipes while I was heading up to the front. So I ended up switching out the Swagbucks, the fabric softener, which is 15 cents more. So with that being, was it 15? Well, I thought it was 15 cents more, but since these are actually priced 10 cents more, it was actually 25 cents more. So this is everything: the Tide Pods, the Axe deodorant with the 250, the Crest, the Arm & Hammer, the Febreze, and the Airwick. So instead of the oh, wait a minute, because I calculated that's 25 cents. I said two. It should have been $8.05. But with the 25 cents, it's $8.30. So my subtotal is 30 cents more. Why is that? I have no idea. Unless maybe I calculated it wrong. I don't know. But I ended up paying $8.65 for all of this stuff. Saved a total of $17. And I used rebate money to pay. So out of pocket, literally nothing, but I mean, it's still a subtotal. So $8.65, not bad. But yeah, you guys, a quick little Family Dollar run. Now I'm gonna head to Walgreens to do a quick little 5 off of 20 scenario. And I did go to Dollar General and I got my diapers and stuff like that. If you haven't checked that video, I know it's pretty late and you probably already whatever, but I mean, if you haven't yet, go check that video out just to get an idea of what you could possibly do. So yeah, on to story number 2. Okay, you guys, so now I'm just gonna pop up a picture of my haul, a small, quick little transaction. Remember, I'm using my last 5 off of 20 booster. So the Snuggle items, they're on sale this week for $2.99. But what makes them even what puts the icing on the cake is we have ibotta rebates for Snuggle. So I picked up the sheets at $2.99. There is a $1.50 rebate. I picked up the scent boosters because there's a $2.50 rebate on Ibotta, as well as for the fabric softener, there's a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, as well as a Snuggle bonus. When you redeem 2 different rebates, you get back $1. So I picked up all 3 of them at $2.99, and then I had a $1.50 off of 1, as well as a $2.50 off of 2. I picked up the Axe shampoo at $4.99. No coupon, but I did, there is a $2 rebate on Ibotta as well. I picked up the Persil at $5.99 on sale this week. There's a $2 digital coupon, as well as checkout 51 is giving back $2. So that rebate did reset for me. And then originally I was going to get a piece of candy because just those other items put me at like $19.95. So I was going to get a piece of candy just to knock me above the $20 threshold. But I had to bribe my son. So I picked up these Cheez-Its that are priced at $1.49. Really expensive, but yeah. So for everything, my total came out to $21.44. So then after that 5 off of 20, as well as the 2 coupons for the Snuggle and then the $2 for the Persil, it's gonna knock me down to $10.44. But then I'm getting back a total of $10.50 in rebate money. $6.50 for the Snuggle, and then $2 for the Axe, as well as $2 for the Persil, making everything that you see 6-cent moneymaker. So now I'm going to show you the receipt. Okay, so I showed y'all a visual. Now I'm going to show you guys the receipt. So you see all 3 of the Snuggle items at $2.99 on sale, the Persil at $5.99, and the Axe at $4.99, and then these expensive Cheez-Its. So the coupons, all of my coupons came off, no issues. The 5 off of 20, the $2.50 off of 2 for the Snuggle, the $2 for the Persil, as well as the $1.50 on 1 on the Snuggle. Subtotal was $10.44. Just like I said, I did use 10,000 in points, so I just paid the 44 cents plus tax, which came out to $1.52. And then I did get back, you know, you guys know, as soon as I got in the car, I redeemed my rebates, and I did get back everything. I got back it showed $5.50 at first for the Snuggle, and then $2 for the Axe. But then after that, I got a notification saying that, oh, you reached the bonus. So it was a total of $6.50 on Snuggle. And that Snuggle by itself is a really good deal, because even if you go do the Snuggle, picking up the 3 will total out to $8.97. And then if you have those same 2 digital coupons, the $1.50 and the $2.50, it's going to drop you down to $4.97. And then you're going to get back $6.50 from Ibotta, making it free plus a $1.53 moneymaker. So even if you have time, if you don't have those any more boosters or whatever, that's still a pretty hot deal. Not to mention, not everyone has reached that little bonus, that bonus on Ibotta. So this will definitely help you. It's 3 different items, so that's 3 different rebates just to get you closer to your bonus. And yeah, and you can use points. So what I said, $4.97, you can use 5,000 points, because with your tax, it's gonna knock you over the $5 threshold. So you'll be able to use 5,000 points. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video, my little quick little my little run in, run out deals. I hope you guys enjoyed your Saturdays. I hope you were out there to, you know, you were able to go out there and like just kill the game. Tomorrow is a new week. You guys already know how I feel about Sundays. So I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow with the winners. So last chance, you guys, if you haven't entered, definitely go enter. 2 winners will be receiving $10 Walgreens gift cards. So, you know, you can use that towards the deals that I do tomorrow. If you see some deals that you really want to do, you know, it's some money just to help you, you know, do those transactions. So I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. You guys are really been like, you guys have really been there for real. Making everything, you know, slightly easier. Today I finished school. I am officially done with school. So you guys are going to be seeing my face so much more now for the next month and a half. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. But that's all I have in this video. Thank you guys. And I was going to say until next time, but yeah, until tomorrow, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below. That way you'll be notified when I upload that Walgreens video to see if you're a winner. Bye, you guys.